invest in yourself first before you invest on someone else. And I believe that love is the biggest investment of all. Pero that love before you invest it on someone else should be sa sarili mo muna.
Oh,
Yeah.
ang ganda nun. That's beautiful, Belle.
Ang ganda. Parang sana, klaro ka na sa kung sino ka, yung identity mo, it's clear who you are and the person you want to become. Obviously, you won't have all the answers, but at least before you enter a relationship, you kind of have the non-negotiables with each other. You kind of talk about things. Parang, alam mo yun, mas klaro, moving forward, ito yung mga bagay na gusto ko pang gawin. This is how I see myself moving forward. And if we were to pursue this relationship, this is what, would work for me. How about you? Yung ganon. Hindi yung magugulat na lang kayo pagpasok nyo, ang dami yung gusto na, hindi pala yun yung pinasukan. Hindi pala yun yung gusto kong mangyari, diba? So,